So this is the project for today. We got a Jetta, a nice orange Jetta. So very simple, brand new car. The customer does not want to do a polish, a compounder polish. What we're gonna do is we're stripping off the oils, if it has any type of like quick detailer oils, high gloss oils, waxes, that in general. So we're stripping off using strip off from Adams. It's a soap, real foamy soap. I have it in stock for sale in stock. So just washing it, and then we're gonna bring it inside. We're gonna dry it. We're gonna spray some surface prep. Try to knock out some more oils so that the paint can be sticky. And then we're going to apply Cquartz today, a 3-year ceramic coating, a little bit thicker than the 1 years that we're used to. It's the same process, but we just can't do the whole fender. It's going to be like a good piece, smaller squares. So now we're doing a clay towel, medium. Go on the door or the window. To the door now. Just And then we're just cleaning the plastics with, it's Adam's leather cleaner and plastics cleaner. So this can be good for leather and plastics. It's an all-purpose cleaner. Nothing too aggressive because this car is brand new. I mean, the smell is still inside, that new smell. Didn't really want to go with a dressing because it's a brand new car. So just give it a GM look. So now that we're done with the prepping, the guy started applying the ceramic coating. We're not doing the 1 year, we're doing the 3-year ceramic coating. We're using Cquartz UK 3.0. This is it right here. So 2 layers is going on this car. Just a simple process. He just applied it. And you're just kind of working in smaller areas. Like we're doing 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get in between there. And then we're letting it sit for about 2 minutes. This kit comes with reload. So you want to apply reload right after, or you can use this to boost up the ceramic coating every time you wash it. We use 3 towels to knock off the product. Now we're applying the second layer of the Cquartz UK. So it's been about 2 hours that we applied the ceramic coating. So now the second layer is going on. Now we're applying the second layer of the Cquartz UK. So it's been about 2 hours that we applied the ceramic coating. So now the second layer is going on. I.detail. Hey, what's up? And appreciate the guy that made the order online. He got himself some goodies. Got him Car Pro Racer, clay bar. Where's it going to? It's going to. So shout out to Colorado. This guy made the order today, and then we're shipping it out today.